Hi, good afternoon. I am Dr. Vinay Bhumia, and this is a very interesting case which I want to share with you, my friends. She is Anjana. She was wheeled in my ICU on 27th of July this year, 2024. And she was treated there in periphery for venous thrombosis, cerebral venous thrombosis. So we admitted her and we examined her. Her right side, sagittal sinus and transverse sinus were blocked due to thrombosis, and there was a large hemorrhagic venous infarct in that area. So patient was otherwise alert but bit drowsy, and all our blood tests were done which showed significant thrombocytopenia with borderline prolonged PT. So she also had a history of fever, so we were wondering what she has. So initially we did all the tests for hypercoagulable state like homocysteine, B12, then fibrinogen, anti-phospholipid antibody, all the which were negative. And then we did her investigation for tropical infections like malaria, dengue, scrub typhus and leptospira. And to my disbelief, leptospira was strongly positive. So what is leptospira? Leptospira is a very small gram-negative bacteria, and it is usually a tropical disease and affects the human beings as secondary hosts. So in this, when the water gets collected in the fields or any place and people walk barefooted, so these bacteria can penetrate the skin and then they give infection. This leptospira infection can lead to multiple. Initially signs will be high fever with joint pains, then erythema and stomach pain, nausea and vomiting. But later on, if it is untreated, multiple organs can be involved. Like in brain you can have meningitis, then in lungs you can have pulmonary hemorrhages, then person can even have jaundice. Then disturbance of coagulation factors can happen in leptospira, leading to massive bleeding and pulmonary hemorrhage. So in this case also, the patient also had altered LFT, bilirubin is high, SGPT was borderline high, her PT was borderline prolonged. She had very severe thrombocytopenia, and as a complication of inflammation in the meninges, she developed cerebral venous thrombosis. So cerebral venous thrombosis secondary to leptospira I am seeing for the first time in my life, and probably very few cases are reported worldwide. So this was our interest. What we gave for treatment, we gave her initially we gave her unfractionated heparin, then we put her on low molecular weight heparin, we gave her ceftriaxone and doxycycline and other supportive treatment, and she after a week she is fine, hale and hearty, ready to be discharged. કેવું છે બેટા હવે તને? જોસ્તી બોલ.
જોસ્તી બોલ.
Cheers. હા?
इंग्लिश में आवड़े तो बोल.
બોલ. English બોલ ભણેલી છે ને? હા? Feeling good. The patient is telling she is feeling good. રણછોડભાઈ કેવું લાગ્યું તમને?
સારું લાગ્યું અમને.
હા.
અમને અહીંયા સંજીવનીમાં આવ્યા પછી બહુ સારો એવો રિઝલ્ટ આવ્યો, અને સંજીવનીની અંદર અમે ઘણા બધા પેસેન્જરોને લઈ આવીએ છીએ ત્યારે ભૂમિયા સાહેબનું, કપિલ સરનું અમને ખૂબ સારો સાથ સહકાર મળે છે. એટલે કે જેમની વાણી અને ભાષા એવી છે, એમના ખાલી વાતથી પણ અમને 50% ફાયદો થઈ જાય છે.
Thank you. We are friends forever.